Back. Yesterday we saw sudden surge in the markets, fueled by two news which were kind of unexpected to begin with when the market was opening. One was the news of Reliance's investment in NetMets. It has not been officially announced, but there were many talks that started circulating about Reliance's investment in the online pharmacy business of NetMets, and that sent Reliance flaring up once again. Also, we had the news of HDFC Bank getting its new chairman, and both the news were not available before the commencement of trading. So these both went and added to the Nifty. And then at the same time, we had a lot of short covering because once the market starts going up, then short covering follows. In any event, a lot of things changed even since yesterday's closing. We had blasts in Lebanon, which was very sad. Not sure whether these were planned or whether this was just an accident. However, the very fact that they come close on the heels of an important court hearing shows that maybe there was some malafights over there. Coming to India and the Indian stock markets, well, I believe that the market should be positive today, August 5. It's not only do we have a very great environment where gold is now shining like never before. $2,015 a troy ounce is all-time high. And the very fact that the rise in the price of gold comes on an important day, which is the groundbreaking ceremony, the Bhumi Pujan of Lord Rama, that probably could herald the return of Ram Rajya, an era where you had that people's houses were flooded with gold and silver. Okay, so I think that gold is rising exactly at the same time. Although I have many videos explaining the economic angle as to why gold and silver have been rising and how far, but now I also have another explanation that we are about to witness the grand inauguration of not the temple but the groundbreaking ceremony, the Bhumi Pujan of the famous temple to be built of Lord Rama in Ayodhya. And maybe to herald this very important event, you find gold shooting up, crossed $2,000, 2015 per troy ounce yesterday, and headed even higher as maybe the temple keeps coming up. Well, I have in my videos written some or spoken of some words of caution. So be careful. Just don't get taken away by today's event. There are some economic angles, and do be careful. If you have not yet watched, please go back and watch my video on gold. I have mentioned the periods where the rise can be very fast. I believe it can be very fast over the next 2 months. But I've expressed and then slow down a little bit, and you can come back next year sometime. You may even see a good fall. So be cautious. Don't have it as don't get carried away when the asset prices are shooting through the air. But yes, it has still got some more steam left. Coming back to stock markets, well, I think this should be a good day for the Indian markets, all considered. And in fact, post 1 p.m., the rise can be quite sharp and substantial today. When I was recording this, started recording this video, I did not have this in mind, but I think that's about the time when the groundbreaking ceremony, or you have the Bhumi Pujan of the Lord Rama, the temple will also be there. So who knows, maybe they coincide just after the inauguration is complete. You'll see the markets flare up. Anyway, that's my prediction for today, August 5. Markets, so short sellers, be very careful. You may have another difficult day if you are short selling. The markets, in my opinion, are headed much higher. The velocity should increase after 1 p.m. Around that time, and therefore you should have people who are holding good stocks should have a good nice day today, a field day, and then we'll be back once again with another prediction about tomorrow's options expiration day, August 6th. But today and tomorrow is also the RBI policy. So it's going to be a lot of events. We'll come back with another video on that. The bank nifty can fare up today because there could be expectations of a one-time restructuring which may be announced as early as tomorrow in RBI's monetary policy. All said and done, we hope that the commencement of the construction of the Ram temple in Ayodhya heralds the return of Ram Rajya in India. India has always been the most prosperous or known to in history to be the most prosperous country, and I hope we return back to that level soon, where everybody's houses are full of riches, material and spiritual comforts, no discrimination between people, and people's houses will be flooded with gold and silver, which are very much on the rise these days, and the return of the Ram Rajya in the true sense of the word. Happy investing. Have a nice day. Hopefully it should be positive as I just spelled out. August 5, 2020. And enjoy. Have a nice, constructive, productive day. And look forward to talking with you soon again. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.